Mart, yeah, Bowser, can you take me to the beach? Why, Bowser? Because I want to go to the beach and see dudes. Why do I have to take you? Because just take me there. Fine, let's go. Yay! Alright, Bowser, we're going to the beach, okay? And after that, we can go to the dock. And then after that, we have to go on the airplane, okay? Alright, Mart, I'm just so excited to go to the beach. This will be awesome. Yeah, it is. Bowser, though, one question. I never seen you go to the beach a day in your life. What makes you want to go to the beach today? Well, Mart, I've been doing this thing where every day I want to explore and go for walks and stuff. Because I'm trying to lose weight, stuff like that. Alright, we're at the beach soon. What we're going to do is cross this road. Alright, sounds good with me. Alright, Bowser, we're at the beach now. Bowser, this right here, that's what we call a letterfly. And you know that you did them? What? There you go. Die. So this, Bowser, this is the beach. Mart is this. L Street. This L Street. It's kind of boring. Go this. Mart, what's the point of that? Could you just go? Fine, Bowser, but you don't want to come here, so you're not having fun. Let's go to the water, go for a swim. No. Look, this is going to dock. Bowser, come on, come on, Bowser. Hold on, I'm gonna stick my feet in. Ah, it's cold. It's cold. Let's go. It's cold. Bowser, I can't believe we walked all this far just for nothing. Nobody flew here for no reason. Well, Mart, whose fault is that? You should know. This is even a beach. This is like a river. I'm talking about the ocean beach, you know? That beach. You know what? Let's just go on the dock, okay? Let's just go fishing on the dock. How about canopy? Yeah, I mean, going on dock looks fun. Look, that looks fun. Alright, Bowser, welcome to the dock. You can do a lot of stuff here. Well, Bowser, what are you doing? Bowser? Bowser! Oh my god, it's so much fun, right? You should do that. Bowser, not fun. Alright, Bowser, that's actually refreshing. Yeah, but this is a cool dock, right? Yeah, it's cool. Alright, Bowser, you want to go on the airplane now? Yeah, let's go on the airplane. Alright. Mart, hold up. I want to go explore this place. This is cool. Look at this dock. This is the sailing camp dock. This is cool. I'm too lazy to walk down there. Let's go on the airplane. Bowser, we have no time. We legit have to go to it now because we're gonna miss our flight soon. We have to go. All right. 1917, 2006. Bowser, we need to have to go our flight now because our flight is boarding soon. Let's go. Bowser, you sit there. I don't want to sit here. I want to sit next to you. Fine. You go sit next to me. Help me to drop the thing then. Let's go, Bowser. All right, Bowser, we're here. Let's go on out.